Sleepover. Spend the night at someone else's house. Example, my kids are having a sleepover at their friend's place tonight. Doze off. Fall asleep, especially unintentionally. Example, I dozed off during the boring movie. Sleep in. Stay in bed later than usual in the morning. Example, I like to sleep in on weekends to catch up on rest. Drop off. Fall asleep, often suddenly. Example, I dropped off while reading a book last night. Asterisk. Sleep around. Have casual sexual relationships with multiple partners. Example, it's not healthy to sleep around without taking precautions. Not off. Briefly fall asleep, often while sitting or in a boring situation. Example, the professor nodded off during the long lecture. Lie in. Stay in bed after waking up, not getting up right away. Example, I decided to lie in for a few more minutes before starting my day. Sleep something off. Sleep to recover from the effects of alcohol or illness. Example, he went to bed early to sleep off his flu symptoms. Sleep on it. Delay making a decision until the next day after thinking about it. Example, I'll sleep on it and give you my answer in the morning. Flack out. Suddenly fall asleep or lose consciousness. Example, after a tiring day, I just flaked out on the couch. Stay up. Not go to bed at the usual time, remain awake. Example, I had to stay up late to finish my project. Wake up. Become conscious after sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 every day for work. Get up. Leave the bed or get out of bed. Example, I need to get up early for my morning jog. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more. Only English vocabulary.